So let us continue the whistling part. And we saw the idea that in whistling, the words are actually being spoken. And whatever the verse is being pronounced. And because the words are actually arising out of the larynx area, just here the throat. This is where all the voice is being produced. And it's only produced when we exhale. Take a deep breath and you try to talk at that time. You will not be able to talk. The only time you can talk is when this part, there's a little lid on the voice box that closes. And when it closes, then a voice is produced. So now, the first thing to do, we're going to talk about, is humming. You don't have to speak the words, but you can hum, and it's very easy to do. So, inhale, and as you exhale, hum. Feel that you are producing the humming from here. You'll feel the vibrations. So do that again. Breathe and hum. Now you can notice that I'm humming in a very uniform tone. All the way, if I were to draw a little graph, it will be like that. Let's do that again. Now I'd like you to practice two things about humming. Number one, make it louder. And second, make it longer. So let's take a deep breath. That's louder and a little high pitch. However, I'm going to make it longer now. Let's see how long can I do it. Inhale. Seconds, 22 seconds. So increase this. This increases your capacity of breath. We'll talk more about the humming in the next section.